Oh,
Iya, gak.
okay. Sit back and relax.
Iya, gak.
This guy is my close friend.
Iya, gak. My friend from
Okay.
Philippines.
Okay.
Philippines.
Filipi, that's my father. Filipi.
Yeah, I'm from Nigeria.
Relax. Relax. Worker is relax. The worker.
Relax. We don't relax. Iya.
Yeah. Relax time.
Of the Lord, for him to have his own wife. I have been searching for someone that will give me peace of mind, girl. Baby, anything I want to, scared of my heart. I will make you smile sad day. Scared of my heart. Oh, baby, I love you.
Extra lang to guys, extra. To extra lang to. Extra. So yung pakulo pero man siya ay singer sa ilang lugar dito sa Nigeria. So kabalo naman ta ang Nigeria daghang kayong mga vlogger nga naa sa Pilipinas karon. So karon naa po ni siya diri sa asaning planeta. So dire po ni siya mag-vlog. Dire. Guys, like and share lang ni siya mga guys. Nice ko din. Singing artist in the Nigeria. The Nigerian people. Nigerian guy. Yeah.